Is it just me, or is there a blizzard about to happen in my brain? Those are like brown houses. Look at them. Oh, right. Yeah, I really just have this feeling it's gonna burst out with a blizzard. I'll I'll tell you. I'll tell you if it does, cause like